Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing the topic strength or the concentration. So this is the third topic of some basic concepts of chemistry. It is very important topic, strength or the concentration of solution. So let's proceed to this topic. See, first of all, I will explain you what is all about solution. Solution hota kya hai? Basically, solution is an homogeneous mixture of two or more substance whose composition is uniform throughout the solution. Always remember, whose composition is uniform throughout the solution, or you can say a true solution which is present in a single phase. So solution can be defined as a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. Clear? Now अगर हमें solution को define करना है, so it will be an homogeneous mixture of two or more substance having uniform composition. Clear? अब solution is composed of two things. One is a solute, one is a solvent. Clear? So in class plus 1 or class plus 2, we will be dealing with binary solutions. Binary means which have two components. One will be solute, one will be solvent. Clear? Solute and solvent forms a binary solution. Binary solution means two component. How many? Two components. So this was all about solution. Now how to express the strength of a solution? If we are having some bottle of NaOH, so how I will say that how much concentrated it is or what is the strength. Now we'll be proceeding to strength or concentration of solution. So see, strength and concentration both have the same meaning but units can be different. Clear? अगर मैं strength की बात करूं, strength क्या होता है? Strength is basically the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in 1 liter of solution. So strength के units क्या बन गए? Strength के units, strength of solution is gram per liter. What I said, it is the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in 1 liter of solution. So strength is in gram per liter. Clearly? So concentration can be in mole per liter, it could be in mole per kg. So there are different units. So we'll proceed to all the methods to express the concentration and strength of solution. Clear? See, आपका first method is mass percentage. Mass percentage. What is mass percentage? Given mass by total mass into 100. This is your mass percentage. Yeah. So if we are having 10% mass by mass, then it implies 10 gram of solute present in 10 gram of solute in 100 gram of solution. 100 gram of solution. Clear? Now, if we are having mass by volume percentage, that is given mass by total volume into 100. So that means if it is 10% mass by volume, then it means 10 gram of solute in 100 ml of solution. 100 ml of solution. Clear? So this was your mass percentage, this was mass by volume percentage. Third is volume by volume percentage. So that is again given volume upon total volume of solution into 100. So for example, if it is 10% volume by volume, what does it mean? 10 ml of solute in 100 ml of solution, So this was your mass percentage, mass by volume percentage, volume by volume percentage. Clear? Our next method to express the concentration or the strength is the most common, that is molarity and molality. दोनों को हम साथ में डिस्कस करेंगे, molarity and molality, because they have only a small difference between the both concentrations. See, molarity is represented by capital M. So molarity is equal to number of moles of solute. Moles हमने किए थे previous lecture में, number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. So number of moles of solute, that is Wb by Mb. Always remember, weight of solute is expressed by B, weight by molar mass. अपॉन वॉल्यूम, वॉल्यूम अगर ml में है तो into 1000. This is your formula for molarity. Molarity by capital M. Units are mole per liter. Now molality, small m, that is again number of moles of solute upon weight of solvent in kg. Weight of solvent, here we use weight of solvent in kg. See both the formulas, where the difference, molarity deals with volume, molality deals with weight of solvent. So इसका formula लिखेंगे तो weight of solute upon molar mass of solute upon weight of solvent. Solvent is expressed by A, B is for solute. Now if it is in gram, multiply by 1000. So this is the formula for molarity. Clear? See, examiner also ask a question, out of molarity and molality, which is a better method to express the concentration? So the answer is molality, because if there is a change in temperature, weight does not change, but if there is a change in temperature, volume will change. So which is a better method? Molality. MOLAL. Molality is a better method to express concentration. Okay, chalo, let's talk about one more, that is mole fraction. Mole fraction. See, from the word itself, mole fraction, it is defined as a fraction of moles of one component to the total moles present in the solution. Suppose we have to find out the mole fraction of solute. So this is mole fraction of solute. As I told you, B is for solute, mole fraction of solute. That is number of moles of solute upon number of moles of solvent plus number of moles of solute. So again number of moles कैसे निकालेंगे? That is weight by molar mass. This is weight of solvent by molar mass of solvent plus this. This is the weight. Clear? Now if we have to calculate the mole fraction of solvent, this is mole fraction of solvent. A is for solvent. So number of moles of A upon number of moles of A plus number of moles of B. And always remember, the sum of mole fraction is always unity. अगर आपने एक का मोल फ्रैक्शन निकाल लिया है तो दूसरे का निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just subtract one from it. 1 minus xb will give xa, or 1 minus xa will give you xb. So this was all about mole fraction. Chalo, next let's talk about parts per million. See, when the solute is present in very less quantity, जब solute बहुत ही less quantity में present होता है तो we express its concentration in parts per million. Clear? So ppm, that is number of parts of solute upon total parts into 10 raised power 6, because 1 million is 10 raised power 6. So this is the way to calculate parts per million. Clear? इसके अलावा we are having one more, that is molarity equation on dilution. Dilution करने पे molarity changes, because आपको पता है molarity and volume are inversely proportional. So we are having a dilution equation, that is m1 v1 equals to m2 v2. Clear? If we are adding the volume, the molarity will decrease. So you can find out by this formula. So these were some of the formulas related to the concentration or the strength of solution. So let's now proceed to some of the questions. First question हम mole fraction पे लेते हैं, ध्यान से देखना. We are having a question, calculate the mole fraction of 46% by weight ethanol in water. So that means it clearly indicates 46% by weight, 46% weight by weight ethanol in water. That means 46 gram ethanol is in 100 gram of solution. Okay. So यहाँ से मेरे को ethanol का weight मिल गया. Ethanol is WP. Clear? That is 46 gram. Total 100 gram है. So WA कितना हो जाएगा? 100 minus 46. That is 54. Now we have to calculate the mole fraction of ethanol. So XB is equal to NB upon Na plus Nb. So just put the formula, number of moles, weight by molar mass. That is 46. Ethanol ka molar mass we can calculate over here. Ethanol, look over here. Ethanol, that is 12 to the 24, 6, 46. It comes out to be 46 upon 54 by 18 plus 46 by 46. So it comes out to be 1, 18 threes are 1 by 4. Comes out to be 0.25. If the mole fraction of ethanol is 0.25, what is the mole fraction of water? 0.75. So this was a question related to mole fraction. Clear? Next, let's see a question on molarity. Concentration of H2SO4, concentration of H2SO4 having density of 1.84 gram per ml and percentage weight by weight is 98%. Clear? So they are asking for concentration of H2SO4 having density this much and percentage weight by weight 98%. So how much will be the concentration? So we have to find out concentration. तो इसके लिए मैं आपको एक shortcut formula बताऊंगा. Molarity is equal to percentage of solute into density into 10 by molecular mass. So in this, percentage of solute is given as 98, density is given as 1.84, 10 upon molecular mass. Molecular mass is again for H2SO4. So 2 plus 32 plus 64, that comes out to be 98. So they get cancelled, 18.4 mole. So this is your answer, 18.4 molar. Clear? So remember this formula. Clear? Percentage of solute into density into 10 by molecular mass. Clear? Chalo. Let's do a question on mole fraction and molality. See, there is a relationship between molality and mole fraction. पहले मैं आपको relationship बताऊंगा, उसके बाद एक question कराऊंगा. Clear? So molality is equal to xb into 1000 upon 1 minus xb into molar mass of solvent. So this is the formula. Clear? Let's proceed to a question. हमारे पास एक question है. You can have a question. Calculate the molality. Calculate the molality of. Calculate the molality of solution of ethanol in water. Solution of ethanol in water. In water. In water. If its mole fraction is 0.04 is 0.04. Clear? So now let's proceed to this question. हमें molality निकालनी है और हमें mole fraction दिया हुआ है ethanol का. So we'll put over here that is 0.04 into 1000 upon 1 minus 0.04. Clear? Into molar mass of solvent. Solution of ethanol in water. So molar mass of water is 18. So by solving this, we'll get the answer 2.3 molal. So this was the relationship between molality and mole fraction. Yeah, sure. Let's do one more numerical. एक और numerical करते हैं. You have to calculate number of moles and weight of solute NaOH present in 200 ml of 0.5 मोलर सॉल्यूशन. देखिए क्लियरली उसने यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है हमारे पास 200 ml है और 0.5 मोलर है. So we will apply the formula for molarity. So molarity is equal to moles by volume If it is in ml, multiply by 1000. And the molarity कितनी है? 0.5. Volume, that is 200 into 1000. Clear? So 20 कट गया, 2 5 सा 5 से ये कट जाएगा. Moles comes out to be 0.1. Moles निकाल लिया हमने. Now further देखें, moles का क्या फॉर्मूला होता है? Moles is given mass, हमें because weight भी निकालना है. Given weight by molar mass. Molar mass कितना होगा NH का? 23 plus 16 plus 1, 40. So 0.1 into 40, that is given weight. Given weight. So weight comes out to be 4 gram. So these were some of the numericals on the topic strength or concentration. So you can do lots of problem on this topic, and these are the formulas. Just revise it. Thanks.